Salam janai dia ase sob manuke. Moila nam Surila ase. Or this time moi Miss Grand India de Nagaland ke represent kurishe. And I have a good news for our Nagaland. I'm coming home with a crown. So moi itu time do apni han sob ke thanks dibole janai dibole mon ase. Moila well wishers khan, moila sponsors khan, aro moila ida viewers khan apni han like man morom paishe. Moi apni han ge bishi thanks janai dia ase. Apni han la vote, likes, comments, I have seen it and thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Aro moi laga idia makeup artist khan Nagaland de team khan aro photographer khan pra luigina moila designers khan pra luigina moila designers national costume la designers pa luina gown la designers khan pra luigina apni han so prachiman be hard work apni han pra thaligina muge support kurise apni han so kyo moi bishi thanks janai dia ase. And as for my journey moila journey the beshi bhal dagishe man yadi Jaipur de 4 days Aisha in our Mahan Yadi we were here for 10 days. So the 10 days I shared my room with Mizoram and with Densi from Dubai. So Mahan Tinjunbi, I think in the history of pageantry we made a history because all three of us we are going home with a crown. We are the only roommate who all three of us that we won the crown. I'm so happy not just for myself but also for my roommate. And this time Mahan participants are 28 contestants hagishe. So Miss Grand India la title to Vishaka ke jaise. She is from Rajasthan itself. Ina kurigina Mahan passion winner hagishe. Mahan first runner up, second runner up, third runner up, that is me, and fourth runner up hagishe. So abnihan so ke moi beshi thanks janai dia ase. Kile kule do apni han la morom la true rahi moi aji jibi kote bi aishe jibi jidishe apni han la morom la true rahi jidishe parishe. Do thank you so much. And also to my girls, my participants from Northeast, to all the other candidates. We had candidates from Arunachal, from Assam, and even from Nagaland. There were 4 of us. Man Jarjun thegishe Nagaland brabi. So Nagaland there were Ayu thegishe, Pangmai thegishe, KV thegishe, Armoy thegishe. So even 3 of the other girls tahan bi beshi bhal perform kurigina. Tahan bi ekdam bhal performance digina tahan bi jaise. So I'm so proud for them, and I'm so happy that Nagaland has a crown, another crown. So Nagaland, kindly look forward to my homecoming and continue to shower your love, your blessings, and Abnihan Moila journey follow Creed Hagibi. And I pray that I will have a very powerful, impactful triumph and a reign. So thank you so much to all my